How to access your Makaton training on Zoom.
Before your training.
Before your first training session, download and install the Zoom app. Do this in the same way that you would normally download and install software to your computer.
Open the app to check it's working, but you don't need to sign in.
On the day of your training,
If you can, arrive in the waiting room 5 to 10 minutes before your training is due to start.
you might want to bring a drink with you.
Make sure you are in a well-lit, quiet room with a strong internet connection.
If you're using a laptop, make sure it's fully charged or plugged in.
You might need to prop up your device to ensure your hands are free to sign.
Ensure you have your participants manual and a pen to hand.
If your tutor has emailed you extra handouts, make sure you have these printed too.
Make sure your volume is turned up, and if you're using a headset, plug it in now.
Find the Zoom invite email from your tutor and click on the link. Zoom should open immediately.
Enter the password issued by your tutor if you are prompted.
You will be asked to wait in the virtual waiting room until your tutor is ready. When prompted, select Connect to Computer Audio.
If this option does not appear, click Join Audio from the menu in the bottom left.
Look for the Gallery View button and click on this. This will ensure you can see all the other participants.
If you need to leave at any time, for example during the comfort breaks, just click on Stop Video and Mute from the menu on the bottom left.
Remember to click these back on when you return.
We hope you find your training useful and enjoyable.
We look forward to meeting you soon.